kind of a weird video. There's a wall of fog coming up here. You can see the cars coming through it. Right now we're at -8 degrees Celsius. And as we go through this wall of fog, which I'm assuming is separating the cold front and the warmer air here, warmer as in, it's gonna drop 5 degrees just as we go through this fog up here. So -8, we're going through this fog. And on the other side of the fog, you can already see it's -11, -13, -14, -15, 7 degrees Celsius difference in about 200 feet. Really, really weird. Not climbing in the mountains, not anything, just a regular, straight, normal road. Oh, here's another wall of fog. Maybe we're going through another cold front. I don't know. Let's see what it goes to. It stayed at -15. So I'm assuming this cold air is pushing that wall of fog forward. I don't know what's going on. Or the warm air is pushing it toward the cold. I don't know. Thought it was weird and kind of neat. I don't think I've ever noticed that before or seen that before, but yeah, 7 degree change in 200 feet. Kind of cool.